All right, guys, welcome back. We got the fish emulsion here in the bucket. It's been a year since I've opened this because I did not use it last year. I don't know how long this stuff lasts, but we're going to check it out. I need a new bucket for storage because this one is dry rotted from the sun. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells kind of, can't really put my finger on it, what it smells like. I just have this little thing. I'm going to dip some out, put it in here, and I'm going to add some water. Then I'm going to go water my plants with it. It's supposed to rain today, so I'm just going to do one of these and this. Not really sure how much of this to use. We'll add a little bit more. I don't really want to overdo it because this stuff's supposed to be pretty potent, so I don't really want to overdo it. All right, now to get some water. Not really sure if this is too diluted, but I don't want to overdo it. Like I said, this stuff is supposed to be pretty potent, at least when you buy it from the store. I don't know if they reduce it or if it's just no water added to the fermentation process. But when you get it from the store, it's pretty thick. Just going to put a little bit on my grass right here just to see if anything changes, you know, test it out. All right, we're just going to water these tomato plants with it and see how it goes. They're starting to set fruits right now, so I'm hoping this will help them out, make better tomatoes. Here is my sad habanero plant. It was doing pretty good, and then hail came. Just give some to the rest of my pepper plants.